Hey, what's up, Deanna? Good morning. This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for clicking this video, taking the time to watch. I spoke with Krista pretty briefly yesterday afternoon in you guys' office. Basically, she told me you guys are pretty busy, but taking on more customers isn't something you guys are. It didn't sound like it's something you guys would shy away from right now. So I just wanted to make you a quick video and show you guys some things that you could do on your own to help improve your online presence through your website here and start bringing in more customers through it. Now, if you're wondering why I'm making this video, I find a lot of business owners don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for themselves. And typically, the only thing that holds them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Now, when I give these attack plans out for free, people will still call me back sometimes and say, you know what, Peter, I really like you. I just prefer you take care of this stuff for me. So at the end of the video, Elizabeth, if you've watched and find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and can do some good for you guys, feel free to give me a call. We can talk about it more. And if you guys just want to take this information, apply it yourself, and run with it, that works with me too. I'm just looking to help as many business owners as I can. So what I want to go over real briefly is just how to make you guys' website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked in the local map packs, okay? So starting off just by looking at your website, like it looks great. I don't know if you guys did this yourself or if you paid someone to do it. I like that you have coupons and stuff like that, a nice big logo, a call to action here, high quality pictures. The website looks great. Um, I will be straightforward. Unfortunately, Google isn't so concerned with how nice the website looks. Their focus is content, right? To be authoritative in the eyes of Google, you need to have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. The average front page has about 1,800 words, so anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words is what's going to give you guys a lot more traffic. And it's going to evenly spread out the keywords that you're ranking for and give you more power in Google search results. Another thing while I'm here too, a lot of people don't know this, but what you save your images as, see how that's saved as just logo? That can be saved as like Spring, Texas HVAC repair or HVAC contractor Spring, Texas or something, right? Each one of these pictures can be saved as a keyword, and that's also going to help you guys get more organic traffic through their search results, okay? So how to make it more trustworthy, I'm hopping over to a tool we use called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month, but it gives us a lot of really valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. Now, how to make you guys' website more trustworthy is going to be judged on how many other relevant websites you have pointing back to you. Now, this what you guys have right now is not something we see very often. This ratio, we want that to be out of 1 if possible. That's considered golden. So the referring domains you guys have right now are fantastic. Now, to keep moving in the right direction, you can see one of your competitors, KC Express, or that's Champion, sorry. We plugged another competitor from Spring over here. You can see they have 362 referring domains. You guys want to take some of those for yourselves, but because your ratio is so close to 1, it's crucial and vital that when you're doing this, you're only getting yourselves backlinks from websites that are relevant to your industry, right? Google doesn't want to see a bunch of pizza companies linking back to you guys because you're not a pizza company, okay? So go in and find the exact same ones that your competitors are listed at, and then get yourself a spot on the same websites. Last thing is how to get you guys ranked for. Oh, this is who we're supposed to be looking at. How to get you guys ranked in the local map pack, right? Someone doesn't know you, they haven't been referred, they just need like an emergency service on the spot. Statistically, they're going to skip these ads, and a lot of times people will go to the first person they see on this local map pack. That's based on how many citations you guys have. And all a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, Facebook even counts as one. So go in it. It's same thing, copycat method with the backlinks. Go find exactly which directories your competitors are in. Add yourself to the same ones, and then put yourself in about 50 more on top of that. Okay. So that's all I got for you guys, Elizabeth. Again, overall, you guys' website already looks really, really good. We're visual creatures as humans, so you guys are doing something right in that regard. But you're going to do yourselves a huge favor if you guys were to add about 1,000 words of content to your homepage, and then go in and start grabbing some of these other backlinks that your competitors have, and just make sure they're relevant to your to you guys' industry and scope of work. And same thing with these directories. Go and get yourself put in about 50 more directories than the ones your competitors are put in, and you guys are going to see a huge influx of business. You guys as competitors here, let's see, these guys are getting about 182 organic traffic per month. Whereas right now you guys are getting about 12. I'm telling you, you guys, the website looks good. A lot of the framework has been built. If you guys were to implement some of this information, you'd see a huge boost in that traffic per month, resulting in more sales for you guys. So that's all I got, Miss Elizabeth. I'm going to get this video over to you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, want to talk further, or see how I might be able to actually help you guys, definitely give me a call. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin. I'm with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks so much, Elizabeth. Have a great day.